Welcome back to the EduTechCoach YouTube channel, where we are passionate about technology, professional development, and student engagement. For this week's tip of the week, we are going to show you how to find and import content into your courses from Canvas Commons.
All right, to get started, you're going to go to the Canvas Commons by clicking Commons in the global navigation bar. And once here, in order to find resources, you can start by searching in the search field for what you're looking for. That's going to return quite a few results. So you can come here and click this drop-down menu to search for the most relevant or the latest or even the most that have been downloaded. You can also click here on the filter button, and you can filter for just specific type of content. Or you can also choose, if you're just looking for templates, you can click that, or if you just want to search specific grade level content. And you can also search with content that's been shared that's just English or math, or even just Virtual Virginia. So once you have your filter selected, go ahead and close that out. That will take your results down a little bit more, and if you want to get them down even further, just do some more filtering. And you can look through the search results, and when you find something that you're interested in, go ahead and click the link, and this will allow you to preview it before importing it. And so for this particular one, this is a quiz, so I can look at the quizzes here and open it up to see what it looks like. I could even go into the files, and I can look at the images here that come with this quiz. If you want to continue looking, you can just click back to search and just keep going through. If it's something that you think you might like for later, you can star it like this, and you can always come back to it later. But once you find one that you want to download, you can click import download to start that process. And then you're going to search for a course where you want to import it into. And we're going to recommend that you import into your sandbox. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my sandbox and click import to start the process. To view the imported content, you're going to navigate to that feature in your navigation bar. So that was an assessment that I imported, so I'm going to go to my quizzes, and then here's where you'll see the content that you have imported. We recommend importing to your sandbox first, because this allows you to preview the content before adding it to your other courses. It will also allow you to select specific content to move into your courses, as opposed to moving all of the content into your course and then having to clean it up. So this way you can select just the items that you want to move into your courses. So after you have you've got your content into your sandbox, now it's time to move that where you want it to go in your other courses. So we're going to go back to the home page in your sandbox, and you're going to come over here and you're going to click import existing content. All right, and so now here we're going to select the content type, which is going to be copy a Canvas course, and you're going to search for the course that you want to import that into. And then here's where you're going to choose either all, or for this example we're going to select specific content. And when I do that, this right here is where I can see where I can select the content. All right, so now I can choose which items to import, and I can even click the arrow here, and that will expand so that I can just choose specifically what I want. And then once the content has been selected, I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to import, and that's going to start the process of just importing those specific items into my course.